Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Naugar, Bhayandar East. Subject Business Communication using Computer. Assignment number first. And topic is Importance of Business Communication. Students, we know that communication is very important in our day-to-day life. Without communication, we can't do anything. For fulfilling our every task, every needs, we need to communicate. We need to sharing information. We need to giving information, collecting information, etc. Means for it, for developing yourself, for developing your business, we need or one must need the better or good communication skill. So, the importance of this communication skill is lifelong or for lifetime of any successful organization. A professional should develop the communication skill to work effectively or efficiently in organization. There are well organized and multi directions or directional or multifaceted skill of business communication need to be acquired in context, case study, method using the learning tools to comprehension and adapt this multi-directional skill in self-learning way. This learning experience has been designed to enhance the skills to communicate effectively and successfully at workplace. Relevance program outcomes. Apply ethical principle to communicate effectively in a professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of practice in the field of information technology. Individual and team works function effectively as a leader and team members. Communicate effectively in oral and written form. Communicate effectively by avoiding the barriers in various formal and informal situations. Practical learning outcomes. Describe the importance of business communication in you given situation. Practical skills. Use computer system including the language lab software. Develop learning, speaking, reading and writing skills. Relevant effective domains related outcomes. Follow the safety practice while handling language lab equipment, safe learning attitude. Minimizing a minimum theoretical background. Students should know the basic concept of using case study, method of developing the new skills, knowledge of basic grammatical structure and question formation is required. Concept of general communication skill in human relationship should be known. Experimental setup should be required there. Then procedure. Log in your account, then read understand the instruction for practical manual, assignment, documents and discuss understanding with your facilitator. Search information on case study method, on the importance of business communication organization, discuss to and understand the case study method, prepare a case study on communication situation, design the question based on the prepare case for study, discuss the case study with the peer and teachers, validate assignment, submit your assignment. Then precautions. Following safety guidelines while should be followed using language laboratories, handle headsets and other lab materials. Do not insert the pen drive in a lab computer. So, business communication means importance of business communication in organization or at workplace. So, for fulfilling everything, every need, every demand, developing business, getting ideas, giving ideas, we need good or effective communication. Business communication is the process of sharing information between employee within the outside a company. Effective communication or business communication is how employee and management interact among each other and real organization goal and be more aligned with the core company values. Its main purpose is improve the organizational practice, eliminates silos, keeps employee informed and reduce the error. The effective business communication is essential for success and growth of every organization, every person, every worker. Unlike every day, communication business or business communication is always goal oriented. A quick, regular and effective communication is one of the key factor in a successful organization. In it's play the vital or crucial role to start, enhance, and sustain any business. A good communication, smooth and all business transactions should be there. Keep employee in touch of other achievements and set target, quality and efficiency. It serves as a coordinator link between the people and organizational function. It serves an internal part of management function like planning, organizing, direction, coordinating, motivating and disclosing decision making. Okay, so students, we know the importance of business communication in workplace or at the day-to-day life. So we will see by example or by case study how communication is important and how it is useful. Ronit completed his software engineering job and joined a multinational software company after a month. Office organized week party for all employees of all branches. See, it's a case study of Ronit, who is a new employee, and in that company working, the company organized a party, and everyone come in that party, and how the communication affects important or its effects we will see in this case study. Ronit arrived at the venue or the party. The spacious hall was filled with the colleagues from various departments in his organization. All were busy in conversation of all round. However, he felt so lonely and he could not start conversation due to the lack of confidence and fluency in conversation. He is shy. He always wanted to talk with the colleagues and wanted to share his thoughts, thinking or many other things with his colleagues and friends. But he was trying to keep himself away from the crowd because or due to the lack of confidence. The lack of communication skill resulted awkward and loneliness. Thus the communication, the human correction or human connection is the key on personal career of success. Then a quick, regular and effective communication is one of the key factor of success in any organization. It plays a crucial role to start, enhance, the sustain any business and communicate smoothen the business transactions. It keeps employee in touch with other, achieve and set target quality and efficiently. It serves the coordination link between the people and organization functions. Number 6, it serves an internal part of management function like planning, organization, direction, coordinating, motivating, decision making, etc. It helps to sharing the guideline, sharing the guidance and information to all level person. It boosts effective organization in organization. It builds rapport among the mutually and in management and employee. It plays important role in the area of customer care relationship. It creates goodwill of company in the market. It encourages discipline, health and culture. It encourages working toward the same goal. Means though as per these features we know that the importance of communication in day-to-day life as either development of in any organization. Though employee has a good communication skill, he will making the relationship with the people in other companies or other areas and trying to sharing the knowledge, sharing the information regarding his company, and as a result it will helpful to developing his business, developing his company as well as developing himself. So good communication skill is very important at workplace as well as in a organization for his all round development. So it's assignment number 1. Thank you very much.